This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly, but they use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They have electronic controls with a remote. The units have a 2-speed fan with manually adjusted louvers which does not circulate the air as well throughout the room. The KY8K/07B model has a 8,000 BTU cooling capacity, while the KY10K/07B model has a 10,000 BTU capacity. The units are relatively loud when compared to other brands as they have a 56 decibel noise rating. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.